Undeniably, the Huawei P40 Pro is one of the top all-around high-end smartphones in the world today. The handset is equipped with stunning aesthetics, snappy always performance, new generation 5G connectivity, top-rated cameras for photos and videos, and a lot of other great features from charging technology to its software. So hi, this is Peter of GIZGUIDEPH, and this is the Huawei P40 Pro recap and quick app installation guide. To recall, the Huawei P40 Pro uses high-end materials, that's why it has premium build with water resistance and generous overall curves. Plus, unlike most smartphones with glass-back design, the P40 Pro is not too prone to scratches and fingerprint smashes even without a case, thanks to its beautiful refractive matte finish. Aside from that, it also comes with IP68 of water and dust resistance to let it withstand dust, dirt, and water submersion up to 1.5 meters deep for 30 minutes. In the front, it is packed with a beautiful 6.58-inch quad-curve overflow display with a crisp 2640 by 1200 resolution and a 90Hz extra smooth refresh rate. For us, this is one of the nicest screens which provides an immersive viewing experience, whether for watching, viewing the images that you took, playing games, and social media tasks. It is also very comfortable to touch and hold due to its generous overall curves. To date, Huawei P40 Pro is one of the highest rated camera phones at DxO Mark for camera and selfie with a score of 108 points and 103 points respectively. It is due to its use of the Leica Ultravision 50MP RYYB main camera with full pixel octa PD autofocus, 40MP super sensing cine-wide camera, 12MP 5x periscope zoom camera, and the time of flight 3D depth sensing quad camera at the back, and the 32MP plus IR depth and gesture front cameras. In actual performance, we agree with DxO as this handset along with the P40 Pro Plus takes some of the clearest images in different lighting conditions. Daylight shots are extra crisp, bokeh effect is on another level, the zoom is super crisp up to 10x zoom, and it can do even up to 50x zoom to allow its users see what others can't clearly see. As usual, it takes great images even at night, even if the scenario is super dark. 4K videos are also crisp and stabilized, and it has the ability to shoot insane slow-mo videos and customize time-lapse shots. In front, selfies are great in daylight, indoors, and low light. It also has some of the cleanest looking bokeh due to its use of an IR depth and gesture camera. And yes, it takes good 4K videos even for selfies. Because of its selfie camera tech and other innovation, this phone is amazing for 1080p me-time videos, even if your internet connection is a little weak or the lighting condition is a bit harsh or dim. As mentioned, it has speedy performance thanks to its use of the 7nm plus EUV Kirin 990 5G octa-core processor with tri-core AI NPU and Mali G76 MP16 GPU. The result, it runs all of the apps I use and know with ease. Gaming on max settings with stable frame rates for long periods of hours is also possible. Plus, this phone has great battery life. Thanks to its 4200 mAh of battery, it can last for a whole day of use on a single charge. It even has the speedy 40 watts supercharge solution via USB-C, 27 watts wireless supercharge support, and 5 watts wireless reverse charge to charge other devices with wireless connectivity. For the rest of connectivity options, it has Wi-Fi 6 Plus, 4G LTE, NFC, and complete GPS band. This handset will even allow you to connect seamlessly to your Huawei laptop using Huawei Share for casting and easy file transfers. Of course, it has 5G connectivity that will enable its users to experience 5G's blazing fast speeds for downloads and more. 5G is simply so much better than 4G. Ever since the China-US trade war escalated, Google and Huawei are both forced not to use each other's services anymore. It is the reason why new Huawei handsets such as the P40 Pro doesn't come with Google out of the box anymore. In case you are wondering, here's how you can install apps on your new Huawei phone. There are several ways. One of the easiest to use is Phone Clone. If you are coming from a Huawei device, it will easily transfer most of your apps, settings, and even messages. Next is you may use the ever-growing Huawei App Gallery, the company's own app marketplace. Currently, it is the world's third largest app store just behind Google and Apple. I use it to install a lot of top apps for social media, games, banking, transportation, entertainment, business, and more. If the apps you are searching are still not available on the App Gallery, you may install AppGo and Petal Search widget from the App Gallery. AppGo is the app that helps its users find the apps and provide download links or recommends similar apps. For example, it'll tell you if the app that you're searching is available by App Gallery, third-party apps like APK Pure, or if the app has a web version. I use this to download Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and more on the P40 Pro. Apart from being a search engine, Petal's search widget allows its users to search apps from third-party sources, download them, and run them. Similar to the AppGo, it gives similar apps as well. What about Google Apps? If the app you're looking for is from Google like YouTube, Petal's search widget will give you a suggestion to open YouTube via browser or download alternatives such as YouTube Vans. Since most of the Google apps are web-based, you can simply create a shortcut from the browser. For example, Petal's search widget helped me create a YouTube shortcut on the desktop of the handset. For Gmail, you can just use Huawei's own email app and add your email account there. Huawei also highlights that phones with Huawei Mobile Services also has a 4-layer threat detection to ensure all of the user data is contained within the device. Huawei also screens every app for threats without exception. Using the App Gallery could also let you win points, app vouchers, and VIP privileges. Our thoughts? At 50,990 pesos, the Huawei P40 Pro is still one of the few high-end phones with no glaring weaknesses. For us, the device is simply solid to top-notch on nearly every aspect. It arrived with some of the most premium designs, beautiful and smooth display, blazing fast performance, strong battery life, super fast wired or wireless charging, and of course, stellar cameras and the future-ready 5G connectivity. We also like to laud Huawei's effort in building its own app ecosystem big time to support its millions of users worldwide real quick and prove doubters wrong in a short period of time. This shows that Huawei is resilient and great at making hard tasks possible. Now, they even have a big chance of being the third major player to break the Google and Apple app duopoly. Alternatives are good, variety is good, it is for the betterment of the competition for the consumers. So, what do you think, guys? Is the Huawei P40 Pro your next future-ready camera phone to get? Let us know in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!